Okay, it seems like the first card and a little bit of the past is that you've received some surprise and it was really good news. So some letter or some news came in, message came in for you, and you're celebrating it because it was something that was really good. And it might involve a trip, so it might be, that maybe you want a trip to go somewhere, but it involves taking a journey soon after. So some really good news came in for you. So the basis of your reading is the lady. You might be dealing with somebody that is helping you sort out things for the future or make plans for the future. And in the past, you've been, what's in your mind really is that you're dealing with people that are very deceptive, people that are not really as honest as you would like them to be. So you are dealing with some people that are a bit shady, if you like. So in the past, you've got hidden enemies. So there's two cards over here, one of hidden enemies and one of deception. So people around you not being very supportive and they're being very deceptive as well. So like I said, you might be taking a trip, a holiday, something, after you've received this good news. There's somebody there, there's a brown-haired woman that you're dealing with in the future. She could present an obstacle. She's got her hand raised, so she's preventing you from going forward. So there's something that you need to sort out with her before you can overcome this obstacle and move forward. So this is the energy for that week. So the main energies of the cards is the Three of Pentacles. So you seem to be working very, very hard. Whatever you're doing, you're very, very focused on it. You're learning as well on the job. You've got a lot of information that you're handling. And you're working according to deadlines over here. So, very focused on your work and very focused on making your money or whatever you're doing. As I said, learning a lot. And maybe you're working a lot by yourself, so you're taking the lead role in that particular field or that particular job, but also having to do a lot of research, maybe a lot of extra courses, maybe a lot of information that you're handling at the moment. So what's happening with you? You've got the Knight of Cups over here, and you've got the Six of, the Six, which is the Lover's card. So it looks like maybe there's an offer coming in for you. Maybe somebody's putting in a love offer. So there could be that, an invitation, some kind of invitation coming in for you. And it looks like, you've got the Lover's card over here. It's usually a choice card, but next to the Knight of Cups, it might be that there's a strong physical attraction between you and this person. This could be a water sign person. So that looks like there's a very, very strong physical attraction between you and this person, and they might be asking you out on a date, or you might be going out with them as well. So there's that choice about going whether or not you want to go out with them or not. So some kind of invitation coming in. Now, in the last year, you've severed ties or changed, went through a big change really. You can see this is the Death card over here. You've cut out the things or the people or the deadwood from your life, and you are now moving forward. Clean cuts, so you've actually just cut them out. You've left them, excluded them, and you are now moving forward. Maybe you felt that time was passing you by, or things were moving, were not moving fast enough, and you were losing out. So you have turned your back to the past, and you are now walking forward. And this has happened in the last year. So a big change has come in for you. And you've got the 10 over here, and it's the 10 of Cups. So it was an emotional change. So whatever it was that you cut out caused you a lot of upset. And, it was that cycle has ended. The old you have left behind. It has depressed you. It has made you miserable. But that cycle is now finished. You got the 10 of Cups over here. So 10's showing that heartache, whatever it is you went through is now over, and that is behind you. And with the Death card in the past as well, it is now finished. That cycle is over, and now you are ready to move forward. And it looks like you are going to be moving forward, because somebody's coming in with an invitation to take you out. And somebody that, is you're attracted to, and that person is very attracted to you as well. So that's why they're making that offer. So it looks like you're back in the game again. And we've got the Two of Cups over here. So maybe this invitation has caused you to look at yourself again and reflect on yourself. And you're doing a lot of self-searching. Maybe you're trying to find that person that you used to be again. So they're looking in the mirror, trying to find yourself again. And falling in love back again with yourself. So you are looking to, make yourself look better. You're, working on your self-image, really. So going into the future, you've got the Knight of Pentacles over here. So there is somebody around you that is very supportive, that is, very well off. This is the King of Pentacles over here, a very established person, and it could be somebody you're working for. This could be a parent, but somebody that's being very supportive, and they are at the top of their game, so they are very, very financially established, and they might be somebody that is helping you get going, or they might be a boss that is helping you get through to your career, but they're there and they're going to be giving you some positive influence as well, or helping you make good financial decisions as well. So what's happening with you? You've got the Ace of Rods, so you've started off a brand new cycle within yourself. This is a young boy, so you are starting, it's almost like you're starting afresh again. With the Rods cards, it's about the fire sign, so this is you again. Maybe you're starting to feel young again. Maybe all that experiences or that you had in the past year aged you a little bit, and now you're starting to find the child back again. So you're addressing that, and you're starting new projects. You're starting this all over again. You're starting from scratch, and you have a new energy, a new passion for life. And what's happening around you? You've got the Temperance card over here. So you're taking control of your environment. You're taking control of things, and you want things to be calm, collected, relaxed. You're trying to find healing. Maybe you're getting back to nature again. You're getting back to yourself again. Temperance is also a card that's ruled by Sagittarius, so it's another fire sign card, and it's talking about finding that balance spiritually as well as physically. So you're getting your health back. You're getting back on track again. And what you want, you're not prepared to listen to anybody. So this is your hopes and fears, and it looks like, you're not taking any more advice from anyone. If anybody comes to you with any kind of advice that you don't like, you're not listening to it. You've shut your ears and you're not taking any more suggestions. You've become your own person again. So there's a lot of independence there. So going into the future, you've got the Knight of Swords over here, the Two of Rods over here, and the Knight of Rods over here. So with the Knight of Swords, it could be some sort of legal issue that you have to sort out as well, some sort of news with regarding legalities that you need to sort out. You may need to seek some kind of legal counseling in the form of a lawyer, or sign legal documents with this Knight of Swords. And you've got the Two of Rods over here. So you have to make a decision about what you want to do next. So you have some plans, and you're trying to decide which one is the best one to put into action. You're trying to manifest the best plan possible. You've got this man with a dragon in that in that crystal ball. So you're trying to manifest the best thing, and this was a choice, a decision, and you're putting these plans into place right now. So you're working pretty hard at bringing your dreams into reality at the moment. And you've got the Knight of Rods over here, so some message coming in for you. You might be changing jobs. You might be changing homes as well. With the Knight of Rods, it's always about change. So something new coming in, you're taking your stand, and you might be changing jobs or changing homes, moving on from the situation that you were in. So basically, you're getting back your independence, you're getting back your confidence, and you've put the past behind you. It looks like there's some kind of social invitation coming in for you with this Knight of Cups over here, and you're very attracted to this person, and this person's quite attracted to you. So I would suggest go for it, and you might socialize and be open to a new experience, and that will definitely sever any kind of negative past energies that you may have had. So you've got the messenger. You are about to receive good news that you've been waiting for. It's from a doctor, publisher, banker, lawyer, soulmate, real estate, but really good news coming in from any one of these people. Have faith. There could be a little bit of a delay. It could take about 2 weeks before that information reaches you. So good news is coming in, even if it's taking a little bit of time. I don't know why, because you've got an eagle flying over here, and they generally fly fast. But this news could come in within the next 2 weeks, and it's good news. And then you've got hidden forces. In the next 11 months, hidden forces are at work for you. Writing, publishing, marriage, investments, or career. It is the time when plans are needed. Travel, destiny. So there could be some forces working in your favor, and you need to plan. Make sure that you have got plans in place before anything can start working for you. And the last card is abundance. Now that you have achieved abundance, it is time to share with those you love. Money, love, opportunities, and travel or rewards come your way. This could indicate a time for spiritual fulfillment. So you really are getting some good news about abundance, and it seems like hidden forces are working in your favor to bring this abundance to you. So it's altogether a very, very positive read, and it seems like things are going to be going your way. And you've come into your own, and it looks like your independence has come back. There's a invitation coming in for you, so make sure that you take it. It will do you good to get out there.